I'm leaving for Mexico City tonight. And I have not even really thought about what to pack. I have mad things on this punch list that I need to get done before I even get going. But packing is definitely what I leave for last. Gonna look through this closet and figure it out. Dresses for every season, because your girl just announced she was pregnant. So we're just gonna keep it loose, not touching me, one piece of fabric, as casual, cool, comfy as I can keep it. Maybe I'll take this too. Silk, sweat right through it. It'll be raining, they say. So rain jacket. Apparently, 2 of the like highest rated restaurants are Mexico City. A few Netflix docs that we watched, and so we have reservations to a couple. Let's pack it up. The hell is this? What is this? This is the life of a modern woman here. Is it curtain rod time? I'm not really sure. Lipstick and a skirt, right? She does it all. Solid and Stripe, the bathing suit brand. Oh, yeah. Your boy's calling. Yeah, boy. My baby daddy is calling. I've tried to adapt a Marie Kondo lifestyle.
And then
I will like fold all of my thongs. It's like very arduous, but it is worth it. How about Mario? What's Mario doing right now? Right?
I've been looking for the perfect Missoni top and I found it in Palm Springs. Cute, right?
Yeah, we were in Perth, in Australia, at the other end of the world. And we went to watch the sunset on the Indian Ocean, which I've never been to. And it was like kites flying, like perfect temperature. We're sitting in the grass watching the sunset. And it was like time had stopped and yet it was like quicksand. Like, I was like, preserve, remember, take all these mental pictures and remember. It was awesome. That's my favorite travel memory, for sure. Along with road trips with my family. You would like wake up and be at Disneyland. You know, like, wow. So that's a really favorite. I think it's a favorite travel memory as well. It was a wedding gift from someone. Isn't that such a good wedding gift? This one?
okay.
Or this one. You told me to grab socks. I gotta represent in Mexico City. Your girl's gotta represent in Mexico City, all right?
Got it. People forget about this back pocket.
People forget about Karopi as well. Listen, this must be a very rare tea, but your girl sleeps on it. Because it's soft. I need a soft tea to sleep in. But it was from when Colette closed in Paris. The little undies and the little tanks. The guy from Le Mer designs the whole U collection, and I cannot afford Le Mer, so I buy the Uniqlo. Sunscreen. It's gonna be this, and it's gonna be this. Look at that.
What happened?
You know, just wear and tear, dropping a few times. My sister's always like, what's the eyebrow plan? What'd you say? I'm like, what? There's no eyebrow plan. Does there need to be an eyebrow plan? I think because I don't wear that much makeup, I've been wearing like blue mascara, which is fun, or like colored eyeliner, which is really fun. I got Cara Orange. Stuff, you know? I think we're gonna go to a lot of art museums. It's something that we really enjoy doing whenever we travel. And I really would love to see some architecture. So, that's what we're gonna do. That's really...
I like doing that too.
Me too.
That's really something. Where's the Karopi sticker though? Very easy. Sorry, that was like not really finesse. This is so tight. It's time for you guys to go. And time for me to go to Mexico City. So y'all gonna have to leave. Bye.